Give a man a fish and you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. And when it comes to seller and buyer leads, there are so many companies out there promising to sell agents hot leads so that you can eat for a day. But when it comes to us, we are promising to teach you how to generate your own hot leads so that you can eat for a lifetime. Hey, Sys Savanh here, and let me tell you a story. So it's Sunday morning, you wake up and you just realize that you've spent more time this week marketing and prospecting for leads than you have spent time with your family. You're doing everything that you're taught. Pitch friends and family, telemarketing, go door to door, print a ton of business cards, flyers, and door hangers and place them everywhere, convert expired listings, convince for sale by owners, attend a ton of networking meetings, and host open houses every single weekend. But the sad truth is you're still left worrying how you're going to generate enough leads to pay your bills and take care of your family. And at this point, you're starting to feel that the traditional lead generation model that you've been taught is just not working. Then this happens.
Redfin is America's #1 brokerage site, so we get your home in front of more buyers. And we make it shine online with an interactive 3D walkthrough. Buyers can get a closer look by booking a tour, in person or via video chat.
Today, 50% of buyers find their new home online themselves.
Yes, consumer behavior starts to shift, especially in the real estate market. With technology advancement and the internet, consumer confidence purchasing everything from products, services like real estate, and information is soaring. Online sales begin to increase. This starts to have a negative effect on real estate agents that do business offline, making it harder for agents to use the traditional lead generation models that they've been taught. So you shift your focus and start buying leads from third-party marketing companies just to find out that you're paying way too much for leads and you have no control over the quantity or the quality of the leads you're buying. And so you start to feel that nothing seems to be working. If this resonates with you, we completely understand how you feel. We felt the same way and we've been there. This is why we created our one-day live virtual training called Realtor Scaling Framework. And really, there are only two types of agents. Either you'll be left behind stuck trying to run your business the old way offline, which will be a thing of the past, or you'll leave behind your competitors because you know that launching your business online, leveraging social media, and automating your lead generation and sales process with a funnel is the new way, is the new norm to grow your business with a stream of hot leads that you are in control of. And as an entrepreneur of 16 years, I want to be able to share with you at our live virtual training called Realtor Scaling Framework, the mistakes that we've made that you can avoid and what we've done successfully that you can implement. In this one-day live virtual training, we're going to take you behind the scenes to show you the exact step-by-step method that we teach our private real estate agent clients that pay us over $10,000 to learn how to structure and scale their real estate business so that they can stop burning out and start making decisions like a CEO. And this isn't just another fluffy guru training or theory. I do not hold anything back. And as practitioners, we're gonna reveal to you exactly what we do, taking you behind the scenes, pulling back the curtains of our own online real estate business. Plus, we have the unfair advantage. We're gonna share with you the same success framework, success formula that we have shared with other real estate agents that we have helped out. We want to share with you these 5 areas that we discovered that you must master in order to grow a highly profitable 6 or 7 figures online real estate business. So if you want to turn on an endless stream of hot leads, scale your real estate business, and create more time with your family, then these 5 areas are a must for you to master. Now in the past, we've charged our clients over $10,000 to be part of our mastermind, live events, or coaching programs. And now, since we're able to stream live virtually, we want to share this experience with you and invite you to our one-day live virtual training for free. So give me one short day. That's all that I need. I'll show you the exact step-by-step method to turn on an endless stream of hot leads right now. So click on the link below to get started.